Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. 10 years after making history as Africa's youngest university graduate, Maudi Chifamba is finally giving back. She has announced a scholarship for one underprivileged girl to attend university starting in 2026. Born in Zimbabwe in 1997, Maudi Chifamba has announced that applicants for her scholarship program must have applied to a local university, passed O-level English and mathematics, and have at least 14 A-level points, and demonstrate financial need. She said the candidates are required to submit a 500 to 800 word essay answering 10 years from now, who do you hope to become and why? The deadline for the application is 23 March 2026. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.